Welcome to Brains World 23! Let's rock!
Welcome to Brains World. Hey, we're at the new Hannaquack, New York service station or rest station. So we're going to take a rest. I'm going to see if my guest is hungry or not. She's been, outside all night long, sitting on the trailer. So I'm going to see if she likes anything. All right. So basic instructions for dashboard cooking. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put your defroster on. You want to make sure you're all the way to the hottest temperature. And then you want to go ahead and turn it all the way out. Okay? Next, you want to go ahead and take your food. All right, and put it right down there on the dashboard. Okay? And approximately every 10 to 15 minutes, you want to reach up and just give it a little flip right there. Depending upon if it's frozen or how cold it is, anywhere from an hour to 2 hours, and you'll have a nice, hot, steamy meal. All right, thanks for tuning in. We're gonna go check it in about an hour. Well, you can tell we are getting closer and closer to New York. See all this traffic. Yep, we got this traffic here. We're definitely slowing down as we get closer to New York. Jeez, crow. This is a lot of fun, isn't it, the traffic? All right, we just pulled into the rest stop, and the lasagna's been cooking for about an hour on the dashboard in the window. We're going to give it a try. See how this goes. Dashboard lasagna. See if it's steamy hot after an hour with the heater blowing on it and the window sun and everything. Well, the container seems pretty warm, that's for sure. All right, let's try this. Ooh. It's not frozen anymore. It's not super hot, but it's definitely not cold either. That's good. I think I'm going to enjoy my supper here. Well, it's an early supper. It's 3 o'clock or so. My wife makes this. I don't know what she does. I know she puts love into it. But man, is it good. You want some? Can't have any. All mine. See you later. Fight this Jersey traffic. We just got gas for $2.83 here in Jersey. Amazing. You can't get out into the road. Gas is cheap, but you can't use the road. Too many crickets. But I see an opportunity. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and off we go. Woohoo! Now we're going to try to move over a little bit. We're going to exit in 1 mile. Ice and snow, remove it. It's the law. Sign said. Looks like it's a double lane, so I'm going to move over to the right because, again, I like staying on the right side. Some places I'm not allowed to drive on the left side. Not because I did anything, just because all trucks can't go on the left side. Here we go. We'll take our picture. Hey, smile! Cheese! Welcome to Brains World! So I've been on a Volkswagen archaeology hunt. I started all the way up in northern Maine, went to Vermont, went all the way down the east coast of Florida, and now I went all the way back, and now currently I'm in New York, and I'm hungry. So I gotta go get my lunch. And as you can see, I'm doing a little bit of hunting here. Find something good to eat here. There we go. So I'm gonna cook some stew that my wife made for me. I'm gonna cook this on the dashboard. So we're gonna have dashboard cooking. All right. We'll see how that turns out, guys. All right, so we're gonna try something different. We're gonna try to cook some soup my wife made. It's frozen. And we're cooking some burgers my wife made. And that's on the dashboard in the heat. It's going to take a little longer to get that stuff going than yesterday's lasagna. And we're going to give that a try. Here, I'll show you what it looks like. All right. We are on our way to take a look at a 66 Ghia and some other parts. Let's go. If everything is what the guy has told me about it, we will be purchasing that today. All right, we're in New Jersey over by the coast. So he's got all the interior for the 66 Ghia brand new in the box. He's got some brand new floor plans and the Ghia. We're gonna look at it, hopefully purchase that today. Right now we're towing behind us a 63 bus that's being transported to Florida. Yeah, the GPS seems like it brought me to the wrong place, so I am gotta turn around. Get me back. Just trying to negotiate that turn there. We'll stick out a sign. Oh, you made it. Okay, I'm gonna have to pull over here for a minute, find where we are. All right, here we are to go pick up the Ghia. Oh shit, that goes. I see what you're saying. I would have been better off going the other way. That's okay. Well, I can go this way and get it, I guess. Yeah, I'll pull forward. Yeah. Will it roll at all? Okay, what I'll do is I'll I'll go as far as I can, but yeah, it will. So yeah, like we have big jacks on it. All right. The back seat and that bus is for sale. I don't know if you need a back seat or not. I don't think it's under it. Yeah. All right. And she's gonna go to a new home. All right. So the stew, I thought it was soup, but it looks more like stew. Stew and the hamburgers have been cooking for a couple hours. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the bag of stew. I'm gonna dump it in this container and we'll see what we got here. Oh man. Oh man. It is steamy too. I don't know if you could see this or not, but it's steamy, the stew. So I'm gonna try it. Let me go get a fork or spoon or something. All right. Looks like I got a fork. We got a fork here. All right, guys. Give this a try. Hope I don't burn my lips. No, it's not. Man. Got a stew or chili or something. I think it's chili. It's good. It's steaming and everything. Man. All right. Oh, I can't put this down. There you go. See if you guys want to try that. Ready? Here you go. Can't have any. It's all mine. Listen, I'm going to go ahead and try the burger now. I might put the burger in the stew. All right, so here that is. And that's also pretty warm too. So we'll take that. I'm going to dump that in there. Burger. She didn't give me a bun. That's it. So I'll just put it in here and mush it all up. See it. Let's see how it came out. That burger. But cool. So there's more burgers. So I'm going to put that up there so it'll cook longer. Definitely putting love in this one. Now, hey, you get a wife that cooked like mine, very patient with you, keep her. That's for sure. She's a keeper. After almost 30 years, I'm definitely going to keep her. Not time to trade her in yet. All right. We'll talk to you guys later. Thank you for tuning in to Brains World. And don't forget to subscribe and like us as well. We've got all kinds of cool videos coming up, and we'll see you next time.
Brains World 23. Follow us on Facebook.